Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel MEP Learning. Myself Ashi Anwar, and today I am going to teach you how to use Planswift basic commands. Okay, so now let's go. First we will open the Planswift software. You can download it. There are many videos on YouTube on how to download and install Planswift. You can go there and easily check. So now let's go. I have already installed Planswift version 10. So now let's start. Double click on here. See, this is the working window of Planswift software. Okay, whenever you will download and install and you start it for the first time, this type of window will come. Okay, see, this is our working area. This whole area is complete working area. uh, in the beginning, actually Planswift gives some sample drawings are there, so you can practice. Okay, but we will remove this and we will start with our own drawing where we will use all the commands. Okay, first see what options or what menu options are given. This is the home tab. Here, new, if you want to import your new file or new drawing, if you want to work on a new project, then you have to use this command. Open, if you're already working on some project and you want to open that, you can open it from here. Print command is there. Email. Okay, back, redo. This is the zoom menu. Fit to page, zoom in, zoom out. Here it is a pan command. Okay, I've selected it and it is used to move over the drawing. Okay, you can go to any portion of your drawing to see what's given. Okay, you can zoom in and zoom out through mouse scroll bar. Okay, uh, see, if I am scrolling mouse button or mouse scroll bar, then it's zooming in, and to if I am scrolling backward, then zoom out. Okay, to exit from this command, click here again. You and the command is exit. Okay, then after scale is there. It is the most important command in Planswift. Without this you can't take linear or area. You can't get linear or area. First we have to scale the drawing, means calibration. Then dimension is there. Area, it is used to measure area. If you want to calculate this area of this, if you want to know how much area this is, you can use area command. Okay, then linear is there. If you want to, for example, come to any drawing floor plan. Yeah, if you want to know how much this wall is there and how much length is there, you can use linear command. Then segment is there. Count, if for count command, yeah, HVAC plan. If you want to count how many diffusers are there, then count command. See, this is a small drawing, so we can easily count by us, by ourselves only how much diffusers are there. But if the drawing is big, then you will surely need count command. For example, in case of sprinklers, I will show you. In case of sprinklers, there are so many sprinkler in one floor only. If it's a big project, then you this command will be very useful. Okay, then other highlighter is there. Note, if you want to make a notes at some place. Well, basically we will use these 4 or 5 commands. Okay, mostly these are only used. You can use the other commands also as per your need, but mostly we will use this for estimation purpose. Then other tabs are also there, like page. If you have to rotate the page like this, see, the drawing will rotate. Drawing is rotated. Then again rotate right. See, the drawing is rotated. Yeah, batch rotate, whole pages will be rotate. And then some other options are also there. Then tool command. Okay, for PDF, this is conversion, PDF to TIF converter. View, see here different types of options are here. show dimensions, height dimensions. We will do try to do all the basic commands, means important commands which we will need for estimation. Okay, then estimating, this one is important. Whatever data we take from the drawing, and if we want to export it to the Excel, then we have to come here and then go to this menu. All this data will be exported to Excel, where we can put all those formulas, and then we can try. Okay, so now let's first this is a sample drawing. Here they have already given some sample plans. If we want to use this, then we can use this, otherwise we will start with a fresh one. Okay, for fresh drawing we have to go to this new. Okay, job code, this is necessary, you can't skip job code. Like I am doing my first project, then 01. Okay, description, what I am doing, say for example XYZ project. Okay, local, this is local, means the drawing will be saved to means the drawing is available in your computer only, in your laptop or computer. Okay, if this is not selected, see, you have selected local for the location of this job. This set of plans will only be available from the computer and not from the network. Means we can't access any files which are available on the network. Okay, requirement type is metric. Okay, then we will press next. Now here we have to select where our drawing is. For example, I have kept my drawing on desktop only. So see here, new folder is there. Then next. Okay, convert PDF files to TIF recommended, this is the conversion. Okay, next, finish. See, the drawings will be imported. See, all the drawings are imported. As I've already kept my files here, see, new folder, the drawings was located, I've extracted it there. So after importing all the drawings, we can easily check. See, okay, now let's go to our first drawing. Yeah, this is basically a firefighting drawing. Okay, so this is one way to import the drawing. If one another way is also there to import the drawing. Okay, so I will tell you how to import that one. For example, if this is your previous project and you want to import some new drawings, you can go here, new. Now the job code will be 02, project name, let's say ABC, local will be selected, metric. Okay, next. Here don't check any boxes. Okay, uncheck, it's remain it unchecked. Okay, then next, it will ask whether to continue without any adding any pages, press yes. Then next, finish. This drawing will be unloaded. Okay, now it is all clear, no drawings is available now. Now let's maximize this. Open your folder wherever you have saved your drawing. Okay, Planswift, you can select it from here, and then you can select and drag here in your drawing. This is like pages and bookmarks area. Okay, the drawing will easily be loading. See, the drawing is already loaded here. What I have done, I will show it again. Okay, first delete this. See, I've removed all the drawing. Again, I will show you what I have done. See, minimize it. Wherever your file is stored, go to that folder, select all the file. Okay, then open the Planswift. Yeah, just hold and drag here. See, all the files will be. This is the short way to insert all the drawings. Okay, and in this the quality is almost same, because in this it is not converted to TIF or something. So in this way you will get better quality as compared to the previous. There also the checkboxes there if you want to convert, then only, but I think this will be the easiest one. Just select the drawing and drag it into the Planswift pages area. Okay, pages and bookmarks area. See, your drawing is imported now. Okay, so this is the first step, how to import your job. Okay, this is a firefighting drawing, so we will continue with this drawing only. If you are working in HVAC, then you can import that drawing, whatever you want to import, like electrical, civil drawings, according to your need you can import and work upon that. See, now the drawing is imported. So the first thing after importing drawing is to scale it. Scaling it means calibrating it. Okay, Planswift doesn't know how much distance this is. Okay, how much to record for this distance. Okay, so we have to scale the drawing. We have to tell the Planswift that this length is, for example, we have to tell the Planswift this length is 5946 mm. Okay, so scaling will do this work only. You can check here also. Some actually in some drawings they mention at what scale it is made, but I think yeah, scale C, scale 1 is to 100, it is already mentioned. Okay, so we will go our scale tab, this arrow, and see 1 is to 100 is already here. See, here disclaimer is there, agree. See, the page is scaled horizontally as well as vertically. If you want to cross check that whether our scaling is perfect or it is okay or not, you can go to this dimension, check the dimension. Now first thing, how to check. See, if you move your mouse cursor, mouse scroll bar in the forward direction, it will zoom in, and if you scroll it backward, it will zoom out. Then we will use mouse scroll bar to zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. See, we have to check this dimension here to here, whether it is 5946 on. See, this we can click here also, but if you keep pressing M, see, M means zoom. If you press M, zoom. Wherever you will point your mouse and press M, see, zoom, zoom. Okay, then we will press here, zoom. Then we will move our mouse scroll bar in the forward direction, it is zoomed to the max. Press mouse left button, selected. Okay, here it is selected. Now scroll back, and then see, it is not taking as accurate. It is showing 1.9 something, 1.95 meters, but it is 5946. Okay, so we can't move further with this scaling. Okay, then we have to use a different method to scale. Okay, that will give you accurate drawing measurement. So press the escape button. See, you have exited the command now, but we have already applied scale. How to remove this? Click on scale. Yeah, and come here, clear scale. Clear scale. Are you sure you want to clear? Yes, the scale is removed. See, the scale is removed. Okay, but the dimension is already taken. See, it's indicating that somewhere we have taken any dimension. No. Okay, the scale is removed. Now we will scale it manually. Now we have to use our scale command to scale the drawing. Okay, we will come to scale, we will go to scale, and we will check whether we will scale it according to this, for example 6 meters or 5.946. Okay, uh, so we will go to scale, select scale, metric. Okay, press insert value 5.946. We don't use because is a bigger quantity and we will get bigger numbers in like 5946. For here it is good, but if the pipe length is, for example, 400 meters, then it will go 10000, that much Okay, so we will use meters only for taking linear and area, because mostly we use dimensions in meter. Okay, SI unit and standard, but in drawing is used. Okay, so we can convert that to meter 5.946, because we are taking estimation. Okay, we are not using like separate parts. For example, in this firefighting drawing, 25 pipe length is there, then we will count all the pipes which is 25 dia. Okay, then it will, if we select in the in the unit, then total pipe length of 25 dia will be very big quantity. Then we have to convert there into meters. So we have converted already into meter 5.946. Apply scale to all pages. If you want to apply scale to all the pages, then you have to check this box, otherwise no need. Yes, keep this box checked automatically. Scale dimension line, this will remain checked. Okay, then I have no, I have to press OK. Okay, yeah. Then scroll your mouse scroll bar to forward for maximum zoom, and then press M button for zoom max. Yeah, select, click. Then yeah, how to use pan while you're scrolling through drawing. Mouse right button, just press mouse right button to navigate through drawing. Okay, see, again scroll max, and then pressing M button. Scroll your mouse scroll bar to forward for max, and then press OK. See, this is 5.95 meter. Scale is already applied. This symbol indicates that we have applied scale. This drawing is scaled horizontally. Now we have to scale it vertically also. If you don't want, then no issue. You can continue taking dimensions. Yeah, you can continue taking your takeoff while scaling horizontally only. For teaching purpose, I am telling you how to scale vertically also. See, go to scale. This is 6 meters. 6. Okay, 6 meter. I don't want to apply scale to all the pages. Automatically create and dimension line will remain checked. Okay, then again scroll bar, move your mouse scroll bar to forward for maximum zoom, and then press M button. Click here. Then I am using mouse right button to pan or navigate through the drawing. Then mouse forward, scroll forward, and then M button. Press M from your keyboard, and then here. Yeah, see, this drawing is scaled vertically also. See, this is 6 meters. Okay, now we have to cross check whether we have scaled it correctly or not. So go to the dimension. Okay, again mouse scroll bar forward, and then M, press M. Here I'm using mouse left button to navigate through the drawing, and then come here. See, it's almost 6 meters. Okay, this dimension shows that this is 6 meter, this is 6 meter, means we have scaled it correctly. You can check another dimension also, for example 6800. Go to the dimension, scroll your mouse scroll bar to forward direction max, and then press M button to max zoom. See here, and then mouse M button, scroll bar. See, 6800 equals to 6.80 meters. So now we have learned how to use scale command and dimension. Okay, both command we have learned in one single step only. Now the next is I will move from not area, linear, then count, and then area. Okay, now how to use linear command, how to create folders, everything in this one complete video I will tell. Okay, see, linear. If you press here, you will get single click linear, metric wall area, linear cubic meters, linear volume in cubic meters. but we won't use that much. We will only come here and press here linear. One menu drop down menu will come. One sorry One dialog box opens. Okay, linear. What you want to select here? Okay, so first let me show you how. See, since this is a firefighting drawing, this is firefighting pipeline. Okay, sprinkler pipe, automatic sprinkler system is there. So pipeline, see, 50 mm dia, 50 mm dia, 65 mm, 80 mm, 25 mm dia. So for example, I have to first take off 25 mm dia pipe length. So I will go to linear. Okay, for here type 25 mm dia pipe. Okay, let me curse caps lock on 25 mm dia pipe. Okay, see here color, whatever color you want to use you can select it here. From for example, the color is used to differentiate between different pipe. For example, I'm using not taking 25 mm, then 40, then 32, 50 mm, 80 mm, 65 mm, then different colors I can use to differentiate. Fill type, let it remain solid. Yeah, folder, this is must. If you're working on a single floor drawing, then not necessary. But if you have multiple floors like ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor, okay, then you have to use this. For example, if my let me check which floor you can cancel, and let me check which floor it is. I am using mouse right button to navigate. See, this is ground floor plan, plumbing and fire layout. Okay, so now come here. For example, I would start from here, linear 25 mm dia pipe. Okay, color I will select red, for example, for 25. Folder GF and then press enter one time. Okay, ground floor is entered here. Now whatever data you will take from here, it is saved to a ground floor folder. I will show how it is selected and how where to find how all your data are saved. Okay, I will show it one by one. Now ground floor data, ground floor is selected, all data will come here in this folder, ground floor, and then enter. Now okay, see, my command is active now, linear. How to take how to start your takeoff? You can easily press here mouse left button and then here mouse left button. See, it is recorded 1.81. Now here also 25 mm dia. Now yeah, here you want to exit from I have taken here till here, I have taken the dimension. If you want to come out from this command, then you can switch it off from digitizer record. See, command is exited. Okay, now again for example, again here 25 dia pipe is there, I have to take again. So should we go to linear command again? No, we will come here. See, here plus icon is there. Yeah, see, 25 dia pipe I have taken 3 meters length. This pipe is from here to here, it is 3 meters. Okay, now I will go here. From here two options is there, either you press your record, this is the record button. If you press this, our recording is started, means now we can start our takeoff. If we don't select it, then nothing is there. Okay, either or next option is there, you select this and go to the digitizer record. Both will work as the same. So for easy way, I have selected 25 mm dia pipe and I have started my recording from here. See, the recording is started. Again I will press mouse left button here till here 25 mm dia. Now to exit, you don't need to go every time there, you can press mouse right button and stop. See, stop, mouse right button and stop. For example, this is 25 mm dia pipe. Okay, select 25 mm dia, turn on your digitizer from there, record button, and then here till here 25 mm dia. Just press, I am using left button to point out like started from here to here, mouse left button, not the right. If you want to exit, right button and then stop. Okay, see, so many 25 mm dia pipes are there. Okay, then how to work fast? Okay, like how to work quickly over there, just go to here, don't need to select every time here, you can just keep your cursor here, turn on your digitizer. See, I have taken 25 again, mouse left button till here, mouse left. Now here if we see, if we press mouse right button and press stop, then the command exits. Okay, command is off, digitizer button is off. No, but we want to take here also, here see, but we want to take here also, here also, here also. Then we will select new section. New section means command stops here, but for new section it is ready to record from here. See, again new section. See, mouse left button select, mouse left button select. Now right button, new section, again left button select to till here, again left button here, here, and then mouse right button, new section. See, I don't have to go every time, I don't have to go every time here, select to turn on and turn off my digitizer. I can just use my mouse to enter the command and exit the command. For example, 25 here to here. Mouse left button till here, then I press mouse left button, then again right button to new section. Yeah, left button till here, mouse right button, new section. Okay, for example, see here, left to left, this here, mouse left button, and if we want to stop, then finally stop. See, I have taken this much area, this much pipe length. Total pipe length is 33.2 meters. Okay, now for example, now I have to take 50 dia pipe. Okay, then again go to linear. Now this time pipe dia 50 Now this time I would like to differentiate it with light blue color, sky color. Okay, folder will remain ground floor. Every time you don't need to enter folder name. Okay, it is already selected that we are working in ground floor. Okay, then okay. Now just as previous, left button, mouse left button, right button, new section. We can take all the 50 dia pipe through this. Okay, see, left button, then again here left button, right button, new section. Okay, see, for 50 dia pipe I have selected this, taken 8.8. If you want to again go for 65 dia pipe, then again fresh new linear 65 dia pipe. You can use this purple color only, ground floor already selected. Okay, see, left button, right button, stop. See, 65 dia. If we want to stop, then we will select, after pressing right, we will press stop. If you want to continue with 65 then new section. Then we can again go and search where 65 dia pipe is there. We can take there. For example, next 65 dia pipe is, we have to look where 65 dia. Then if you like this, we found here 65 dia pipe, and we want to again start our recording. We can go to 65 dia pipe, turn on our digitizer, and we will start taking the takeoff. Then again, if we want to stop, then stop, otherwise new section. Okay, stop. So in this way we have learned how to use linear command. Okay, now the other important command here is count. Okay, as same as you used linear command, the count command will also be almost same. How to start recording, how to stop recording. Okay, so see, here we are, here some sprinklers are there. See, two types of sprinklers are there. This is pendant type and this is upright type. Okay, so let's check. See, this is pendant and this is upright. Okay, so come to count command. We are counting sprinklers, then pendant type. Okay, circle, count what type of shape we want to denote for this, like circle, square, or I'm using circle. Color you can select, like I am selecting this time green color. Okay, folder will remain ground floor as I am taking for ground floor drawing. Then okay, see, pendant type, just keep clicking to, I am using mouse left button to pan or navigate. See, pendant type. Then scroll bar, backward scroll to zoom out, and then forward scroll to zoom in. Okay, then pendant, wherever pendant type is there, we will select by using dragging through mouse and navigating through page. Okay, wherever pendant type is there. So I think that much is pendant only. Yeah, way less pendant sprinklers are there. Yeah, here also pendant type. See, pendant. Okay, pendant. Well, how much is there? You can select all those. Okay, now if you want to exit the command, then you can press mouse right button and stop, or you can just press escape button to exit. Just press escape button to exit. I exit the. If you again want to take this command, start the recording, come to digitizer on, then we can go to pendant this this and then for exit just press escape button. You exited the count command. And see, this is upright type sprinkler. Then again go to count. Now this will type upright type. Okay, upright type, color red or whatever you want to select. Like this time I would like to select black, or no, this time I would like to select blue color. Okay, folder will remain ground. Shape you can change from here. Like this time I would like to use diamond shape. Okay, okay, just mouse right but mouse left button will select, just count. Mouse left, with mouse left button I am counting all this. Okay, see, and using right button to navigate, left button to select, right button to navigate. See, uh, in this so many sprinklers are there, we can't count it manually like this one by one. So Planswift will help us in here only in counting too much thing items. See, it is count, it is here showing here also 19, and here also it is shown 19. See, counting whatever data you are taking. See, here it is being shown, whatever you data you are taking, here it is being shown. Okay, so if we want to again start counting upright, go to upright, select on the digitizer, and then we will select 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 select. Okay, just to exit, either mouse right button stop or escape button. Yes, you exited the program. Okay, so count menu is also done. Now we will use area. How to take area, for example, whether, since it is like service lift area if we want to take. Okay, then we will go to area, uh let it name it service lift area. Okay, service lift area, then okay, mouse left button here, 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 and here. Then to exit, mouse right button, stop. See, area is 4.8 square meters. If you just drag your mouse cursor here only, it will show lift service lift area 4.77 square meters. Okay, so in this way we can take area mostly civil engineers will need for counting room area and uh, uh, open entrance. Yeah, open entrance is here. Let us check how much area this. Then again area command, open entrance. Okay, ground floor is already selected. See, for example, here we have to close this box like this, or selecting all the corners, we will close this box like this and then stop. See, if we move our mouse cursor here, open entrance 32 point. For example, if we want to select only, yeah, if we want to get know, if we want to take for example this much area only, yeah, or we want to know how much area this is, this green one, this green whatever square box is there, then we can go select here, sub, subtract. Okay, yes, See, this area is subtracted. Okay, now this area is 23.88 meters square. So in this way we can subtract the area. So this is the way how to use area command. Mostly we use these commands only, like scale to calibrate the drawing, then dimension to take our dimension, linear to take linear quantity like pipe length, or mostly in HVAC duct lengths are there, pipeline, chill water pipeline, firefighting pipeline, wall lengths for civil engineers, for electrical engineers, cable lengths. Okay, count to count like sprinklers or diffusers in HVAC, number of lightings in electrical, or number for civil engineers, if they want to count anything related to their field, then count command. So in this way we will use Planswift. So this I have taken for ground floor. See, now if our flow is changed, for example, if we go to fresh drawing, see, this is first floor plan. If we want to start our takeoff here, then again we have to scale it. Why? Because we haven't scaled all the pages in our first drawing. We have unchecked that box, apply scale to all pages, we haven't selected that. So again we have to scale. So we will scale it, for example, horizontally. Now this time you can move with any one, like horizontally or vertically scaling. Like let me scale it horizontally only, then scale 9. Metric is already selected, 9 meters. I am again not applying scale to all pages. Okay, then okay. Move scroll bar to forward direction, and then M button from your keyboard for max zoom. Select here from mouse left button, and then select here M I am using for maximum zoom. Press M key and then mouse forward button to zoom, and then select here. Yeah, it is scale 9 meters. See, scale but horizontal scaling is here. Okay, and dimension is already also applied because I have taken dimension 9. Now you can easily check whether we have now check it vertically whether we have applied our scale correct or not. We have scaled it horizontally, and but we are checking it vertically whether our scale is fine, okay or not. See, M for maximum, you press M key for maximum zoom, then select here, and then 584. See, you can use from here ortho on for horizontal, means perpendicular direction will be there, and then how much it is, 5484. Yeah, see, it is almost matching. See, 5.5484, 5.49 meters, almost matching. Okay, we can check it horizontally also. Again go to dimension. I'm pressing M key for maximum zoom, then press select here, 6.084 it is. Then I'm using mouse left button, right button to navigate or pan, then mouse for scroll bar to forward direction for maximum zoom, keeping pressing M. Okay, 6.08. See, it is 6.08 meters. Okay, so means our scale is good. Now again, now since this is first floor drawing, we will take or we will just follow the previous step only, but for folder we will use different one. Okay, first floor plan. So if for example if you want to take linear, then again press linear. Here everything you have to start from the scratch, like we can't use this. If we press here, we will go to the previous drawing only. See, since I'm see, this drawing is selected, fire and electrical, it is first floor drawing. So we have to take everything from scratch here, like 25 dia, 50 dia. We have to again enter all those details whatever we are taking, like pipe dia 25 Okay, now since this is first floor, we will select the folder first floor and then press enter one. Okay, color I will remain okay. Now again our digitizer button is on, and we can continue taking the takeoff like this. See, new section. See, See, so all and escape to exit the. See, now press this add icon here and see pipe dia 25 is recorded in this drawing, not in that. If by mistake we press for select here, then we will automatically go to the previous drawing. Now to come here, we will select our new drawing, come here. See, if we select this, all the drawing is selected. All the all the takeoff which we have taken will be selected. If you want to delete all at once, then select this and then delete button. It will ask whether to delete. Yes, pipe dia. It will again ask confirm whether to delete all. Just so if we select anything from here, like for example, if we take 50 dia pipe linear pipe dia 50 okay, first row is already selected. Okay, see 50 dia pipe, 50 dia pipe. Okay, for example, we have taken this one. If we want to delete all this, whatever we have taken all, we can delete it separately also, like this. Press here, see this much is selected from here to here only, and if you want to delete, press delete button from your keyboard, and yes, only this much will be deleted. Okay, for example, suppose count is there, count in case of count command, count sprinkler, for example, pendant type, pendant type. Okay, let me check. Yeah, pendant type. Mostly it is used in wash my okay, in lift area. Yeah, see pendant. I'm selecting counting here, counting here, counting here. Okay, counting here. Pendant type. Yeah. By mistake, for example, if I did selected here, I want to delete this. Then either select this, and if you will delete, then see it's deleted. Select this. This will be selected, and then delete. Otherwise, just double click here from your mouse left button. Delete it. Okay, and you want to again take the record, start our record like this. Again select and take. Means to delete the count command, you can is just double click. Just double click, it will be deleted. Double click mouse left button. Okay, and to again start the recording, press the recorder button here. You can again start taking. For this is the pendant type, like upright type. Okay, first flow. See, this one is all upright. See, taken. If you want to delete one by one, then just double click. Just double click mouse left button. And if you want to delete whole, then we can go here, upright, select, and then delete. It will ask whether delete. Yes, it will again ask. Okay, all upright deleted. Okay, so in this way we can use, and then other area and all those will be remain same. Whatever drawing, mostly these 4 or 5 commands are generally used. Okay, and now whatever we are taking, where it is gone, from where we will export it to Excel. Okay, the final one, go to the estimating tab. Okay, see whatever we have taken is all for ground floor in one separate folder, for first floor in one separate folder. Just expand it. See, here it is taken. We don't need a markup percentage or price each or price total. We don't need that. We only need our quantity and the units. See, meter, each. EA means each. Pendant type 11 numbers, 25 numbers, square meter, area. Okay, each meters. Okay, this, for example, till now we have taken this only, and now we have to export it to Excel. Then we have already expanded it, and then press export to Excel. Wait for a minute. Means if a file is not big, then it will be exported in few seconds only. Yeah, it's see here it is off. File is open. This is exported to Excel. See, here it is exported. You can remove all this. For example, delete. See, 25 dia total length we got how much we have taken? 33.19 meters. Okay. uh, Pipe dia 50 mm, 65 mm dia pipe. See, ground floor is separate. This is all for ground floor, and see, this is for first floor. In this way we can separate it with the help of folders: ground, first, second, third, and we can continue taking our takeoff. If we want to go back, go to home tab. Okay. And then we can, if you want to continue, then you can again continue from here only. If you, or for other, like see, this is what, second floor, second, third, and fourth. Then we have to, whatever we first we have to scale the dimension, and then whatever we have to take, we have to create just another folder in linear. If one time the folder is created, then we don't need to create folder for count or every time, for already the folder is created there. Okay. For example, see one thing. Let me show you here. First, let me scale this drawing. Scale 5.946 meters. Okay, let me show you one thing. Mouse M button, sorry, keyboard M button, mouse left button, and then see, the drawing is scaled. Okay. Now I am taking for second, third, and fourth floor. Then linear. See here, first floor is there, second, third, and fourth. See here what, and then as soon as you type, just press enter one time. Okay, this is must pressing enter. See here, I have here, this drawing is typical one. Means this same drawing is for second, third, and fourth. Means whatever quantity you will take, at last you will multiply in Excel by 3. So then you will get the quantity for second, third, and fourth. If you don't multiply with 3, then you will get for second floor only, because this one drawing resembles for second also, third also, and fourth. All three, four floors are typical. So for example, here I will take pipe dia 25 mm. Okay. Now let me check. I have started recorded here. Stop. See, press this, I expand it. Pipe dia 25 mm selected. Okay. This is for, but if we want, no, we have to go to the ground floor drawing, and again we have to take here. Okay. For example, I have to take here this 32 mm dia pipe. Okay. Then what we have to do, we will go to linear. Okay. And from here, first we will change our folder. See, we have to select ground floor, because now we are in the ground floor only. If we will keep selected fourth, third, second, third, and fourth, then whatever we will take here, na, it will go to second, third, and fourth floor folder, not to the ground floor. So keep in mind that you have to keep changing your folders whenever you keep changing your drawing. Now I am in the ground floor, so I will select ground floor, and then I will take pipe dia 32 mm. See, okay. For example, here to here only. Stop. I have taken. Now, if how to check? Go to estimating tab, expand your ground floor. See, pipe dia 32 mm is recorded here. If we haven't changed our folder, then it will be recorded here in expanded here only. Okay. So keep in mind, you have to change your folder as you shift from one drawing to another. That is very much important. Actually, most of the new users confused with this. They don't change their folder and continue taking their quantity, and when they convert it to Excel, everything is messed up. Then you have to go and delete. You can delete from here also, like go to estimating tab, or for example, you can select and delete from here also. See, I am deleting 32 mm dia. Then go to home, check for ground floor, wherever we have taken 32, it is deleted. Okay. So we can delete in for templates, parts, and inputs. We don't use that, so you can just close it. Okay. So this much for Planswift today, and most of the basic parts, most of the basic things I have explained in this. I think that you can practice and become a master in Planswift, using Planswift, and this will be very easier for you in day-to-day use. Like if you are working on any drawing, if you need the estimate of any drawing, how much quantity is there, then you can easily use Planswift. Okay. So that's all for now. Now I don't need think that anything is left for estimating. Like I told you till how to export to Excel. From here you can just segregate all your quantities at one place. Means arrange all your quantities at one place, and you can get the result. Okay, so thank you for now, and please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you, bye.